error code 0x800700005 when trying to save a document in Microsoft Office. Here's a practical solution for you. This error typically arises due to permission issues or corrupted files. It can interfere with saving your documents, leading to frustration and potential data loss. To resolve this error without the need for manual troubleshooting, you can download our software using the link provided below. Our tool will automatically scan your files, identify the issue, and either fix it for you or provide detailed instructions on how to resolve it. Save time and avoid the hassle of manual troubleshooting. Click the link below to download our software and fix error code 0x800700005 efficiently. Get back to your work without any interruptions.